Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to show you how to block someone on Instagram. In a perfect world, all of us would get along, but we don't live in a perfect world. There will always be a troll on the internet who says horrible things, or a follower who disagrees with your opinion in an offensive way, or an account that posts content that you simply don't wish to see. The block button is perfect for those situations. In fact, the block button can come in quite handy when you're spending any amount of time on social media. I use it freely, blocking spam accounts, offensive accounts, and other accounts, for a vast array of reasons. I think it is important to remind you that you can block anyone, at any time, for any reason. You don't owe the person you have blocked an explanation for why you have blocked them. So, without any further ado, let's jump straight in. How to block someone on Instagram. Let's just pretend for a moment that the HubSpot Instagram feed has offended me. Disclaimer. I love the HubSpot Instagram feed, and I will be going back and unblocking the account afterwards. When you're on the profile of the account you wish to block, look for the three dots in the top right-hand side of the screen. A menu pops up from the bottom of the screen, and the second option down is Block. Another menu will pop up with two options. The first one will block HubSpot as well as any other accounts created by the person behind it, and the second one will just block the one HubSpot account, and not any other accounts created by the person behind it. Once you've made your selection and hit block, a pop-up will appear that says first blocking, and then blocked. As you can see, all of HubSpot's content has disappeared. Once the screen has refreshed, you will no longer be able to see how many people are following HubSpot, or how many people the HubSpot account is following. They won't be able to see anything on your profile either. Once you come away from the profile that you've blocked, you will no longer be able to find the username in the search bar. They won't be able to find your account by searching for your username either. And that's that. You have now successfully blocked someone on Instagram. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.